Birds are the those species of the animal on the planet who can fly with the help of their wings in line with the survival of the filtrate and the trustworthy birds have evolved over the years to gain the volumes due to the many air pollution and land pollution. Many species of the birds are going to endangered and existent to birds are getting extinct to an alarming rate. Birds migrate from one place to another part of the planet to in search of the food and shelter, and these birds are known as the migrating birds. Birds make shelter and find habitat on the land and sea depending on the type of the species of the birds. Birds tend to live together and have a community living and habitat social behavior just like the human beings. Birds are social. Most communication happen through the sound that they make and singing with they do so. Allah created many beautiful birds in the world. Their looks, color, shape, feather make more beautiful and attractive. Many birds have been extinct due to the hunting, also approaching distributed ecological balance and many other reasons make their existence very threatful. Constant threat of the extinction. Birds living in the water like the swan ducks have seen a drastic fall in the number because of the pollutant and chemical of the fertilizer and industries. Birds chirping and sound make more beautiful as the way they sing and sweet sound make them beautiful. There are so many beautiful birds in the world, but some mostly found such as Hyacinth macaw, wood duck, bobine, waxwing, blue jay, keel-billed toucan, peacock, flamingo, scarred macaw, golden pheasant, Australian pink robin, Larry bird, famous for singing birds in the world, black-throated bush-shaped spoonbills, red-capped robin, hummingbirds, Atlantic puffins, Adelie penguin, blue-footed bobby. The impressive look of the birds make them more attractive and beautiful. It shows the powers of their creators. Hassan the macaw is the largest of all flying species of the parrots in the world. They inhabit in the semi-open areas and grassland of the northern Brazil. Their population declined in past few years. Wood duck is probably most stunning, colorful water in the world. Homine waxwing is a medium-sized songbird with a distinct crested head and the black mask. Blue jay are one of the most intelligent, beautiful birds in the world. Beautiful birds make nature more attractive and love place. Kill Bill Hawkane is enough the bird with the among those bird most amazing billion in the world, and also they have a huge multicolored beak. Flamingo is probably the most recognizable birds in the world. Stunning red purple color itself make flamingo so special amongst the birds. Golden peasants are the famous for their brilliant colored plum and series birds are beautiful creature on the earth. Ravens in the wild pick up human language. Ostrich eyes are largest of the any animal. Cavi are the very land bound bird. Penguins are used to deliver mostly pigeons are used to deliver message in the past. Even most important military information is sent through the pigeons. Birds make our nature more attractive and their color look and their cuteness show beautiful and charming environment. They are the natural beauty and they love the nature. Birds make the ecological our environment so beautiful. They control the pests, they eat the insects, and many harmful hazards of the environment are clean through the birds. Birds make our environment more attractive by their chirping and sounds, sweet sounds. If we are early risers, so the chirping of the birds make us more pleasant. If we are going on the morning walk, these birds looking everywhere and pray for everyone. Birds make our environment almost creative and